Hi, Terry Brown here. You know, if you haven't started yet, it is time to start to dream big. Someone said that if your dreams don't scare you, they aren't big enough. You are never too old to set another goal, to dream a new dream, said C.S. Lewis. Yes, every day is a fresh start. That's the way we need to look at it. But a fresh start is not a new place, it's a new mindset. Time certainly is precious. All we have to decide is what to do with the time that is given. Dream it, believe it, achieve it. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them, said Walt Disney. And the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. What a wonderful thought by Eleanor Roosevelt. Difficult roads lead to beautiful destinations. We've all experienced that, I'm sure. On the other side of the clouds is a bright blue sky. You must tell yourself, no matter how hard it is or how hard it gets, I'm going to make it, said Les Brown. Think about these things. Let them motivate you. Let them inspire you. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today, wherever you are in the world. Be blessed.